Hey guys, so judging how well the last one did, I'm here to make a part 2 to the Dallas vlog. Today I have a lot more interesting things to go over, like IKEA, lots of shopping and stuff like that. But first, I have something else. So I mentioned that this place had an air hockey table, and I was going to do this yesterday, but I ran out of time to do it. So I'm going to murder my sister in air hockey in like 5 minutes. So just enjoy the slide. One. Ooh. Okay, one shot. Two.
Oh,
two.
That was fun.
2-2. 3-2. Got a problem? I guess we're just switching off.
Hey, yeah.
Surprised you lasted more than 5 seconds. This is kind of embarrassing, not gonna lie.
Hot 34.
Ha! 4-4. Ha! 5-4. Ha! 6-4.
Shut up. You're telling me you tagged this too?
Yeah, I beat him this morning, so it doesn't matter.
Ah, 5-6. Ah, 6-6.
No, it went over the table.
No, still counts.
No.
Yeah,
It doesn't, but you don't want it. Ball bounce technique.
Okay, 7-6.
If I lose to you, I'll delete my channel. Keep that in. If I lose, I'll delete my channel.
No, that doesn't count.
Yes, it does.
I actually
Not all of it counts. That's how air hockey works. And I win. Now you get to delete your channel.
No!
Anyway, I just thought that'd be fun to put in the video. Look at that. That's intimidating. What are your thoughts on this? Dude, I'm actually scared. Well, here we go. How pitiful are you? You can't go up there just yet. Oh, so we're not going upstairs?
Not right now, we're gonna run to the bathroom.
Okay. Not much content back this. This is so small. This bed is like... This is small to me now.
Am I the only one who's scared of getting lost already?
No, I don't think you are. What are your thoughts?
Oh my god.
So many mirrors.
Oh my god, clothes. Can I buy these?
No,
Oh
probably
my god.
not.
Wait, no, you can buy the hangers, not the clothes. That's kind of sad.
You can buy the hangers, but not the clothes.
Yeah, there's literally clothes on hangers and you can buy them.
This is $1,000.
Look at this chair.
Dad, this is $1,000.
It's really cool though.
No, it's not. This is not worth $1,000. Either that or I just have this very.
Oh my god. I'm sitting down on the couch. I want to see
This
how
couch is $800.
Oh, this is pretty comfy.
Yeah, totally worth it, guys.
So what would you use that?
$100, my God.
Chair for a desk?
That's what this is.
That doesn't look like a very comfortable. That doesn't look like a very comfortable desk chair.
I want to sit down on it.
I don't know what I think. Dude, that feels like glass.
It's plastic.
Like it definitely is plastic, but it feels
No,
like glass.
look.
Yeah.
$2,000. No, $1,200 sofa. Is that worth it? Is that worth it at all? Oh no. Dad. Oh no. Oh no. They're selling desks now? I don't know why it's a surprise, but this is something I do while studying. And we all know that gamers don't study. Dude, I hate this.
This isn't.
No,
really
they have a desk. That looks like a desk you use while studying. That looks disgusting.
Oh yeah, studying desks.
Dude, we all know nobody actually studies.
Yeah, if you do, you're just.
Is this TV real? I don't think it is. This
Says it's
drawer.
60.
This drawer is real. Holy crap.
Why wouldn't it be real?
Because they are selling a child's drawing that looks like
Well, gosh, Kelly, we
kind
should
of
bring your
garbage
drawing.
for $10. This for $10.
Maybe it's the frame.
We should take a vote. Is that worth $10?
No, I think it's the frame. I
Yeah.
think you're buying the frame.
Is this worth $10?
Yes.
No, it's not. Look at that.
Why not?
I want them to give me money.
It's a cute picture for
No, it's not. That's disgusting.
Kinley.
Fridge. What?
Ooh, what?
I said, ooh, fridge.
I like
Oh, we eating good tonight, boys. Look at this. Look at this totally real candle. Look at how real this candle looks. We eating good tonight. If I turn the stove on, do you think it would actually turn on? Dad, if I turn the stove on, do you think it would actually turn on?
Probably.
I wasn't
Because I mean,
going.
it's a real stove.
Oh, look at how real all this food
Oh
looks.
my god, that looks so delicious.
It's paper.
I know.
Mom, all the food they have in containers is paper. Look at this.
Beans?
We eating good tonight.
I love beans.
Mom, we eating good tonight.
Mom.
Oh yeah.
Doggo
Where's
treats.
Sarah? So,
Oh my god, we need to show this to her.
Another desk that nobody's going to buy. And that rug looks like a war crime. Oh, look at the outside world, guys. That's totally real. Look at how real the outside world
No,
looks.
that literally looks so real.
It's not.
I know. It does look really real.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it
How
does.
stupid do you have to be to think that?
No,
looks
that
real?
literally looks kind of real.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It does not look real at all. I would buy that for $13.
It's a picture of someone's dog.
Yeah, I'd buy that for $13.
Yeah, I'd buy that.
The picture of a. Yeah. I need you to look at something. A picture of a bull for $78. Oh, that's cool. What?
Cute.
What?
See this? Do you know what this is for?
What?
It goes in the hole in your desk and gives you USB chargers.
But I don't have a hole in my desk.
no, you don't.
Okay, but is that not the coolest thing ever?
It is very cool, but look at this. It's even cooler. Dog for $13. But look at the buffalo for $78.
Look at this, we're in a neighborhood.
Everybody's got a water buffalo.
Yours is fast.
But mine is slow. Dude, this is pretty trippy so far. Not gonna lie. Oh, look at this alarm clock.
We could get Jake 2 power strips for $10.
Mom, would you buy a basic alarm clock for $10? I certainly would. Disgusting this looks. Oh, and that totally real food. Gotta love to see it. Actually, I don't know. That lamp is so big though. I would never buy that. Looks like a therapy chair.
He's
What? Stop saying my name.
Del Swish.
There you go.
I'll lay down on that. It feels so good.
I'm not laying down on the therapy chair, Kenley.
Oh, you're right. It does kind of look like a therapy.
Why did they name this chair or this TV Stockholm? They named this TV Stockholm.
It's a big TV though.
Yeah, it probably doesn't even work.
Why would they even sell it?
Okay, let's see how comfortable
I told you.
I kind of want to fake a mental disorder so I can go to therapy and have this chair now. I'm gonna be the
That's probably not the best
Mom,
joke to make.
Mom, can I fake a mental disorder so I can go to therapy and lay in this exact chair? Because, oh my God.
Well, I've yet to go to the therapist.
Move. We're going to the other one.
These ones are like littler kids.
Oh my, this is literally an entire house. Dude.
I didn't notice the bathroom.
God, this is literally just an entire house.
Oh wait, it has one of these things that change.
Totally real awards.
Can you buy the awards?
Probably not.
Too bad.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Look at how dirty that tub is though. No, this is literally just an entire house.
And then there's
Got a
that.
small bed. Big wardrobe though. Do you think they ever like actually change the wardrobes, or do they just keep it like that?
I honestly don't know. I mean, I would assume.
Wait, come here. Dad, can I play you in checkers in IKEA?
Sure.
Nope, they're glued down.
Wait, they are.
They're literally
Oh
glued
my God,
down.
there's cookies.
This is literally just an entire house.
I mean,
42-inch TV with
This
a
chair out.
it's a 42-inch TV.
that is.
That looks pretty uncomfortable. My
Oh,
God.
yeah. Cool.
Wait. Come on, let me see. Oh, that's actually not bad. Okay, I lied. That's not bad. Yeah, we looked at that. Dad.
Did you see the cookies?
A kitchen that's a little more used. Okay. Got all of that. Shopping list. They have shopping lists and magnets. Oh, can I
What
steal?
even are those magnets supposed to be?
Can I steal the magnet? Okay, guys, here's a shopping list. Make sure to get that. Guys, I need to edit the next History of GD video.
Oh my God.
Someone devious licked the keys.
Oh my
I was
God.
doing this for a skit, but then I realized that the keys are real. But I'm gonna be a good citizen and not steal any of them. Editing will have to wait. Nice interior design. Got a totally real. Look at the backyard. It's totally real. Look at that. Look at how low quality that image is. Got a nice coffee pot though. I think. I don't drink coffee. I wouldn't know what's nice and what's not. Mom, they took out the inside of the toaster. No, literally, look. Dad, they took out the inside of the toaster. It's for content.
Fridge.
Whoa, that is cool.
I
Oh,
would
see
forget that
blueberries.
that's there. I would forget that that's there. I'd put something in there, forget that it's there, and
Forget
then
you had a fridge.
yeah, then everything, and then
Like,
everything that I put in there,
Where's my
and
fridge?
then everything I put in there, I'd like buy a Samsung smart fridge, and then everything I put in there would get rotten. I would have wasted $10,000 on an iPad fridge. It's actually cold though. They have the Xbox 360 in captivity. I will free you one day, my friend. Fake plants. Save the earth, guys. Save the earth. More torture devices. The usual. And more glass. Oh, this is the potion that the wizard gives you on the side quest. Take this, it's dangerous to go alone. Okay, I'm sorry. I can get some actual work done now. Oh, it actually works. I'm just gonna leave that there. Okay, attempt 3 of getting any sort of work done.
You should just like seek the password as IKEA.
I doubt it. Yeah, didn't think so. Still no more work. My fault. Finally, a desk I can get behind. Except the oh my god, the chair is egregious, but everything else is actually not bad. This isn't actually that bad. Put the PC
goes right here.
PC right there. Monitor.
That's a completely different thing.
I know, but
It's not even.
I know. I'm just
I
saying.
know,
You can buy
but
it.
if
PC,
we're just talking the
PC,
desk,
monitor, keyboard, mouse, anything else, headphones and stuff. I don't need a new desk though, so bad that I unironically want to buy this. Probably. Another one. Oh, that's actually a good keyboard though. At least it would be if half the keys weren't missing. And that mouse, oh, never mind. I thought it was a Viper, never mind. It'd be better if it was a Viper. Got a head, okay, this is interesting. Plenty of gaming chairs that I probably would never use in my life, but I'm calling them cool for the sake of the video. And another one. But the mouse sucks, it's not a Viper. Oh, but it moves, so never mind. It's cool. I know of many gamers who have a literal flight stick at their desk. I mean, if that's you, then more power to you, but I don't know. I just find it kind of odd. This is the real gamer lounge. You have a LED head, a game station. Oh yeah, look at this controller. Watch out, ladies. You got an NES Classic that's probably a knockoff Xbox 360, a knockoff PS3, a CS4, I don't know what that is.
No, they literally talk about
And
this was literally the exact same thing, but I dragged Dad over there to look at.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I finally found what the dog doing.
There's a dog bed. Under
Shut up. So we got mashed potatoes, meatballs, cranberries, and peas. Oh yeah, with the Swedish flag, of course.
Okay, because I don't know if I'm on board for that.
So, this looks pretty good. I'm gonna finish this real quick.
That's all.
We have arrived in the back room. Shut up. Never getting out of here.